You can see all of the resources I've imported into my Creators Toolkit media library, and now I'm ready to create an interactive module. To start with, I will set a module thumbnail image. This will allow users to easily identify an experience within the media library on their VR headsets. Firstly, I choose an image I would like to represent my module, and drag and drop it to Module Thumbnail under Module Properties. I am planning to create an interactive tour of wind farms and build an engaging experience by linking the files I've imported and adding audio and text pop-ups to enhance the impact of the visuals. We are going to start on a wind farm in Oregon in the United States. I can add this image to my module by just dragging it to the middle of the screen, and you'll see it here. I can right-click and move my mouse to pan around the image. This is my home image and will be the first to be seen whenever the module starts. I'd like to take viewers to a place few people get to go, the top of the wind turbine for a bird's eye view. So I drag another image into the center of the screen, and then I will link the two images together. To do this, I select my first image. Then I create a hotspot by clicking the plus sign here, and I add a teleport hotspot. Once added to the image, I can drag and drop the teleport hotspot to the top of the turbine. I drag the image from the top of the wind turbine to the teleport item field and drop it here. Now, when I click on the teleport link, I will be sent to my second image. While atop the turbine, I'd like to give viewers an opportunity to explore the mechanisms inside the turbine. I add an image hotspot, place it here, and find a diagram from the media library to quickly drag and drop into the hotspot field and link to the image. I'd like to create the ability to teleport back down to the ground, so I add a teleport hotspot to the ground and drag and drop my initial image resource back into the teleport item field to return users to the start of the module. Now I'd like to add a 360 image to my module. I select an item from my library, drag it into the center of the screen, and going back to the previous image, I create another teleport and drag the image into the hotspot to link the assets. Within this still image of a wind farm in Portugal, I'd like to add an audio file, giving users the option to hear what it would be like to stand amongst the turbines. So I add an audio hotspot to the image, place it wherever I'd like, and add an audio file into this field, dropping it into place. To include a video version of this location, I add a teleport hotspot here, drag and drop my video into the teleport hotspot, link it, and bring it into my scene. You can see I have the video controls here, so I can play my video and see the turbines in motion. I can play, pause, and stop to review the video. I can also tell the Creators Toolkit what to do when the video reaches the end. In this case, I'm going to set it to teleport, meaning at the end of the scene, we will continue on to a new location. Now I'm going to take viewers to a second wind farm in Portugal. I select another video from my media library, and following the same drag and drop steps, I add the video to the module. I add another teleport hotspot between videos, allowing viewers to jump between the scenes without waiting for the video to play to completion. In my latest video, I set the controls to play and hold on the final frame. As I work, you'll see all assets included in the module in the list to the left. I can click on the various pieces of media, switching between them and making the selected item active so I can continue to work with it. Moving along on our tour of onshore wind farms, I'm now going to include a video from the biggest wind farm in Japan. Again, it's as easy as dragging the video into the center of the screen, linking it, and hitting play. As the module comes to an end, I add another teleport hotspot from this video to link back to the initial 360 image to complete the journey. I'd like to add some additional information into the module, starting with a text hotspot, which can contain a single line of information. For more detailed information and to make your module increasingly dynamic, an info panel can be added via hotspots. Info panels can contain up to 250 characters and a visual as well. Simply drag and drop any image to be included on the panel. You can add as many of these hotspots throughout the module as you like. Now I am ready to preview my interactive module.